Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can fix your iPhone which is not able to send messages or receive any messages to an Android phone. So what you need to do is just go to the settings tab here, and you need to scroll down and go to the apps here. Under apps, go on M section where you can find the messaging app here. As you can see, messages app here. Under the messages app, you need to scroll down and make sure that this option is enabled, send as a text message, because iPhone enables by default iMessage, and not everybody has the iMessage facility, and that's the only reason the Android phone cannot receive the message. So you need to make sure that this send as a text message is enabled, and make sure the person you are sending message is not on a block list. For example, here the person you are sending message is not on a block list. So that's how you can solve this issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you like it and it solved your problem. Thank you. Bye bye.